In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a VPN extension to Google Chrome. Whether you want to enhance your online privacy or access content available in other regions, installing a VPN extension in Chrome only takes a few minutes. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, visit the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by searching for Chrome Web Store in Google or by opening it directly from your browser. When the Chrome Web Store loads, click the search box in the top left corner and type the name of the VPN extension you want to install. For this example, we'll use Hola VPN, but you can follow the same steps for other VPN extensions as well. Select the VPN extension from the search results to open its information page. Take a moment to review the extension details, ratings, and permissions to make sure you've selected the correct one. Next, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will appear showing the permissions the extension requires. If you're happy to continue, click Add Extension. Google Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the VPN extension icon appear in the toolbar at the top right corner of the browser. If you don't see it right away, click the extensions icon and pin the VPN extension for easier access. Click the VPN extension icon to open it. Depending on the extension you're using, you may be asked to sign in or create an account before you can connect. After signing in, choose a server location if needed, then click the Connect button to enable the VPN. Once the VPN is connected, you can continue browsing as normal. Your browser traffic will now be routed through the VPN connection provided by the extension. That's how to add a VPN extension to Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.